everyone. So in this video, we are going to talk about the role of our subconscious mind in our success and failure. Now we have heard an old age saying which says, as you sow, so shall you reap. उसका मतलब ये है कि आप जैसा बोओगे वैसा ही काटोगे. And this principle applies in farming so well. When a farmer puts a seed of corn, he only gets corn plant and not cactus. But if a farmer plants a poisonous seed, he can only expect poisonous plant and not honey, correct? And this is the rule of, nature, that whatever we sow as a seed, we will get the plant out of the similar seed. Now let's look at how it is related to our subconscious mind. Because whatever we plant in our subconscious mind, we are going to get the same things in our life. As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body or environment. Now what does it mean? What is the seed for our subconscious mind? The seed for our subconscious mind is our thought, is our feeling, is our emotion. Now, if you are planting the seed of, say, hatred or fear or anxiety or jealousy or comparison, guess what you are going to get? And if you are planting a seed of, say, abundance, positive thoughts, happiness, guess what you are going to get? So it all depends on what kind of seeds we plant in the garden of our subconscious mind. And you can see it practically in your life, because whenever we operate on a day-to-day basis, whenever we take actions in our day-to-day life, it all depends on what is there in our subconscious brain for that particular activity. And that's why you see that why some people are very adventurous or some people are very fearful. Because people relate their emotions to the activities or the experiences. And whatever emotions you relate with something, that gets stored in your subconscious mind as a permanent memory. And whenever you take similar decisions in your life or whenever you do things in your life, these particular emotions come in your way and either help you grow or help you be there where you are stuck. So we can say that our subconscious mind is a rich bed of soil, and whatever we plant in that, we will get the same output. In our IT world, we say GIGO, which is garbage in, garbage out, or good in, good out. So it depends whatever you will put inside your brain, whatever you will, put in the form of your beliefs, in the form of your emotions, in the form of your feelings, same things you are going to experience in your life, in your environment. You can look in your personal life and see wherever you have been successful or been a failure, and you can categorically see that because of your subconscious programming, because of the seeds which you have planted, you have got those results in your life. And that is a very good thing to analyze, because the failure we go through is always a lesson, is always there to teach us something. So now I want you to do this assignment for yourself and see that in the whole day, what are your thoughts, what are your emotions which you feel throughout the day? Because knowingly or unknowingly, you are planting the seeds of those feelings and thoughts in your subconscious brain, and the same things you are going to experience in the outer world. So hope this video was super useful to you. Let's revise the whole thing. Go back to all the 3 video lessons which I have done on the subconscious mind, because that will set the tone of the future videos. See you in my next video, where I'm going to share some more amazing inputs about our conscious and subconscious brain. Thank you.